Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Tiempo Legend 8 Club MG. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Tiempo Legend 8 Club MG football boots, and this pair is in the men's UK size 8, US size 9, EU size 42.5, and it's in the women's US size 10.5, and this pair is in the black, chili red, dark smoke grey colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper or packing paper to reveal the Nike Tiempo Legend 8 Club MG. And let's lift out the right boot and set it down on the side. And let's take out the other side as well, which is the left side. And just setting the box to the side of the frame and giving you a look at this Nike Tiempo Legend 8 Club MG and doing a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of this football boots. And as you can see, the colorway is black, chili red, and dark smoke grey. And now taking a close-up look at the details of this left boot. You can see that it does have a diamond-like pattern on its upper cover or strike zone. And it does have a somewhat 3D effect, but it is indeed a design with a level of depth to it, as you can see. The way the light plays on that upper cover and strike zone of this football boot. And looking towards the midfoot and back heel area of the shoe, you can see that red outlined or bordered swoosh does extend towards the back or heel area, and there is the Tiempo branding or text at the base of the heel. And looking at the inner side, you can see that diamond-like pattern on the inside of the shoe as well. And it does have a very finely grained synthetic leather, textured very finely across the front all the way to the midfoot area of the boot. And taking a look at the sole or underside of the boot, you can see that it does have those striking chili red studs or cleats, and that Nike swoosh as well around the midfoot area. And now taking a look from the front to the back, on the tip of the shoe with that finely grained diamond texture, and moving right along through the laces in the midfoot area all the way to the tongue, as well as the ankle collar of the boot. So you can see around the ankle there is some medium level of padding around the ankle towards the heel clip of the boot. And taking a look inside the boot, you can see that it does have that chili red or red insole, And in terms of the thickness and feel around the upper cover, does have a thin upper layer and of course a medium level of padding around the ankle collar. So giving you various looks at this men's UK size 8, US size 9, EU size 42.5, or women's US size 10.5 football boots in the black Chile Red dark smoke grey colourway. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands, just to give you some idea of the stiffness and pliability of this football boot. And to give you some idea of that multi-ground sole plate, and the studs or cleats as well. And just flexing and bending the shoe again to give you some idea of its flexibility and overall construction. And now let's take a look at the right boot and just setting that left boot to the side. And once again doing a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear view of this right boot of the Nike Tiempo Legend 8 Club MG. And taking some close-up looks from the front towards the back, and of course towards the inner side as well. And that sole plate once again. And taking a look at the pair together, side by side. So you have a better idea of how they look. And on the bottoms as well. And from the front to the back in close-up detail. So that's Nike Tiempo Legend 8 Club MG football boots. Thanks for watching and happy kicking!